Contrary to popular belief, real estate can be a team sport.
And this listing is a home run. Welcome to 1346 Lackner Boulevard in Carstairs.
This home backs right onto the baseball diamonds and is steps away from the elementary school.
Inside, you'll find an open concept layout with high-end finishes and room to entertain the whole team.
With 5 bedrooms, there's space for the starting lineup and the bullpen.
Whether you're playing catch after dinner or watching the game from your own backyard, you can't beat this view.
Just steps to the local school, this is family living at its best. Ready to make your move?
I'm Rebecca Garrett, and this is Curtis Garrett with First Response Realty and Real Broker.
Let us be your first call for real estate.